He likes a lot of weird stuff. He really does. And I'm more like, I'll try it, but I'll try anything once. So welcome back to my channel. My name is Samantha, and this is my husband Terrence.
How y'all doing?
And I say it's our channel a lot whenever I record videos because ultimately it is my name and my face on the channel, but my husband does a lot of the camera work and he does the editing. So I figured that we would just pop in here and give you guys a little background story of who we are and what we would like to see in our channel in the future. So I became vegan about, I was mostly vegan for the last 6 years, but became fully vegan back in March. And I did it because of my health. My husband, he eats primarily a vegan or plant-based diet. And do you want to give me a little background on that?
Oh yeah, I'm not fully vegan, but I don't eat a lot of red meats or pork or anything like that. It's mainly like shrimp or fish or something. I give her the support because I know a lot of people that have gone through being meat eaters and then wanted to convert to being vegan. They just don't have that support from their families, and some of them are looked at like they're crazy or like, like, what are you doing? So I wanted to give her that support, and also for health reasons as well. That's why I just don't eat a lot of pork or chicken and beef.
I think what we want to accomplish on this channel is that I know whenever I first went vegan, then I was like, 6 years ago, I was like searching Pinterest, and it's really overwhelming. It is so overwhelming to want to start because you have to learn a completely different mindset and than what you're used to. So what we want to do on our channel is we want to create 100% plant-based meals, and our meals are always easy. We like easy meals because we are busy people.
Yeah, the Instant Pot will save your life, trust me.
We use our Instant Pot in almost every single meal. I mean, we have 4 Instant Pots, so we are very, very avid Instant Pot users, and we love them. So we highly suggest you get an Instant Pot if you want to become vegan, and I have a link to our favorite Instant Pot down in the description box below if you want to check it out. And yeah, we only create easy recipes, and our recipes are always 100% delicious. I mean, they have a ton of flavor. We love a lot of flavor in our household, so I always include the recipe in the box below, in the description box, and I use the measurements that we go off of, but you can always start with a teaspoon or half a teaspoon and just add up and build your flavor up to whatever profile that you like, because this is the flavor that we have developed and we like. So just start small and add up. And we have a ton of content that we have planned for our channel, and this is one of our first 2 videos, so stay tuned if you want to see some of more content. I know we did smoked tofu yesterday. We did it in an electric smoker and in Terrence's Pit Boss pellet grill, and they came out delicious. We used the seasonings that we would use on the meats that we used to eat, or I used to eat, and it came out so delicious. I mean, you really did not miss the animal products one bit with it.
Yeah, it was one of them that came out that had the texture of chicken and the taste of chicken. So for anybody that loves chicken and or just a meat eater, I mean, you might want to give that a try, because I actually thoroughly enjoyed it, and I'm not too much of a like tofu person per se, but I I'm not afraid to try new things, and I tried that and I loved it.
Some of the recipes that we want to include sushi. We have sushi that we like. We have spring rolls that we've made. Tostadas are really good. My pinto beans, that was a childhood favorite of mine that my grandma used to make. I learned to veganize it, and some vegan cornbread. So that are just some of the recipes that we want to make. And our style that we make is mostly Mexican and Indian and Southern. We like the Southern recipes. So that is just some of the recipes that you can look forward to. But we'd also like to do travel vlogs whenever we go places. If we find a restaurant that we like that is vegan, then we want to let you guys know about it. That way, so if you visit that area, then you can go and visit the restaurant.
Right.
And I would also like to do self-care, some self-care tips on my channel, because I know that eating healthy is not enough. You also need to take care of your body and to be healthy all around. So I wanted to give some of my self-care tips as well.
Just don't be like, vegan food is nasty, it's flavorless, it's no fun. Actually, in reality, it is very, very delicious. So
you have to have an open mind.
Yeah, you have to have an open mind, and that's the first step. Just have an open mind with it, and just go for it. I mean, because one favorite that a lot of people that I know, you eat chips, don't you? They're vegan. Well, except certain chips, they have milk in it, like salt and vinegar and
Funyuns. My favorite has milk in it. So.
And I had gotten some popcorn from Aldi, and I looked at the back of the ingredients when I got home, and it said milk, and I was like, okay, well, I'm not 100% vegan, but I love popcorn, so yeah, needless to say, I'm killing that one. So.
And if you guys have a suggestion for vegan Funyuns, like if you guys know of any chips that do not contain milk, so I do not know why Funyuns contain milk, but if you guys have any suggestions on a vegan version.
Or better yet, salt and vinegar chips.
Yes,
I don't even know why those would even have milk
in them. Yeah.
Or even dill pickle chips or something like that. I don't even know why they would even have milk in it, but if you know, please let us know.
Please let us know, yeah. I mean, because with our channel, we do not want a stuffy channel. We want a fun channel and just a comfortable channel and a safe environment for our community that we want to build. We want to build a fun, safe community that people can open up about, their struggles. Like if you have a struggle with you're going vegan, and or if you have a struggle with your weight loss, like, because I want to do a video on mental health and how that affects your weight loss, because it does. I mean, I would like to do a video on that because I personally suffer from depression, and that actually hinders weight loss. So I would like to get y'all's input on that below. I mean, and if you guys have any recommendations on some videos that we can do besides food, definitely let us know. We're open for any video that you guys want to see. I mean, we are posting what we know about, but if you guys have like a recipe that you want us to try, or you have a recipe that you want us to review, want us to make and review, we can definitely do that. Or if you have a product that you want us, a vegan product or anything that you want us to review, check out, let us know. We'd be more than happy to do that.
Yeah, anything that you think that we can try to attempt to cook that's vegan, just let us know, because I'm pretty much down for anything. I love to cook and I like to create, so yeah, it's a project, it's a challenge, but I'm up for it. Well, we're up for it.
We're up to it. We love to make these videos for you guys. We're doing this not only to help our community out, but also to document our progress. Because I know he said that he would love to eventually possibly go completely vegan. So we want to just document our journey. So we want to share with you guys, but we also want to document for ourselves in the future. That way so we can look back and be like, oh, that's where we were in 3 years. So
new foods that we may not have heard of or even tried, like any kind of fruits, vegetables.
Oh yeah, if you guys have like any suggestions on like new foods, like new fruits, new vegetables, you know, stuff like that, let us know like down below. I mean, because he likes a lot of weird stuff. He really does. And I'm more like, I'll try it, but I'll try anything once. So if you guys have any recommendations on like what we should try, then let us know. But I mean, yeah, we're definitely very open about what we like as far as our food goes and everything.
I'm adventurous. She's not.
You're what?
I'm adventurous.
Oh, you're adventurous. Yeah, I'm getting there. All right, well, you guys, thank you for watching, and if you made it this far, please like, please subscribe if you want to see more like this in the future, and leave us a comment below on what your favorite foods are to eat that are vegan. That way so we can give them a try as well.
Give it a thumbs up as well. If you like it. If you don't, that's fine too.
Yes, please give us a thumbs up. That way so this video can get out onto YouTube, and that way so it can help other people get to know our channel, because we do have some really, really awesome content planned for the future. I mean, we have a list. I have a list of like 50 videos that I want to do. It's all involving mostly food. But if, like I said, I wanted to also do like travel vlogs when we do travel with like food and like where we go. And we also wanted to do self-care. So if you guys have any of those videos that you would like us to do, then just leave them below. And that's it. And thank you so much for watching. And you guys have a great day.
All right. See you later.